Hey, what's going on? It's me Jitin. Welcome to my another honest review about Mobile Pages agency. So here we are inside of dashboard of Mobile Pages, and during this video I will give you in-depth review and demo of this app, price and upsells and exciting bonuses. So let's start with bonuses. I want to give you something that actually help you with this app Mobile Pages agency, and all the bonuses are listed keeping that is in mind. For example, here you will get script funnel writer. This will generate high quality professional written sales script customized to your business in minutes. In simple words, it will generate a script for your sales video, opt-in page, webinar page, email swipe and much more. So let's check one more bonus, 100 call to action marketing strategy. In order to be successful, every website must have conversions at forefront of their marketing strategy. To help with this collection of short call to action text for those who don't have time, knowledge or inspiration to create these for their website. So other bonuses will also help you to maximize your profits. To get these amazing bonuses, you simply have to click the link in the description below and buy the product from my link. And you can access all of these bonuses without spending a single extra penny, right? So let's back to dashboard. So what is Mobile Page Agency? Mobile Pages Agency can transform a business website into a sleek, high converting mobile optimized website in few minutes. You don't need any laptop or desktop. You can simply create a mobile optimized pages or ad campaigns all from the palm of your hand by your mobile phone. In short, it is a drag and drop software that works on any device including laptop, PCs and mobile, and you can create high converting custom mobile pages and ads. Right, so without any delay, let's start the video. So this is what the login screen look like. Let's enter in the dashboard. Once you log in, you will feel just how easy this software is. The interface is clean. You can even use it to build pages from scratch, even on your mobile phone. And this is what I personally like in this app. On the top, there is three options: search, templates, and display picture of your account. In my account section, you can edit your account settings like company name, email, and other stuff. You can also change your password. What you can do. Okay, so here is the list of what you can do in this app. It is a huge list of actions. By this, you can edit the website in this app. Let's back to dashboard. On the top, you can monitor your weekly stats, number of visits, number of unique visits, leads collected. Obviously, I have not created any page on this app, that's why everything is zero here, right? In templates, there are so many built-in high converting templates you can use immediately in your business or to help clients. So let's create our first website. First of all, in order to create a website, click on Add Website. There are two options: blank websites. From here you can create a mobile optimized website or page from scratch. Next one is view templates. As you can see, there are many templates provided in this app like real estate, restaurant, flash sale, beauty products, gamer, coffee guide, hotel booking, website design and many more. I hope they will add more and more templates according to their customer needs. So you can choose them according to your niche or business. Let's back to first page. So there are two options in each template: install and preview. You can preview the template before installation, and if you like it, you can install it. So let's see how it works. Let's preview this template. So as you can see, there is a logo place, headings, images, countdown widget, and also a button in this template. Everything is customizable and you will able to select a template and start building immediately. So let's check this one. I think it's pretty simple and we can start on this. So let's install it. So as you can see, there are 5 options on top. Let's see one by one. Okay, so in page section you can see website name, link and few action buttons. In settings, here you can configure your website. You can change website name, can add custom domain in advanced configuration, can change subdomain. You can add tracking pixel, title, image and description. You can also upload favicon to it. From here we can simply copy the website and can share the website from here. So this is pretty easy, right? Next option is leads. You can check your page or ads leads here. Trends, you can monitor your page from here and share. So let's edit this template. Click design in pages. As you can see from here, you can customize a template as per your need. The interface is quite clean and simple. You can edit anything, whatever you want to change or customize in this template. On the right side, you can see the changes, and by this you can actually create a eye-catchy page for your niche or business. Add navigation. From this option, I can add logo to the top corner of this. I can also add menu links here like about us. You can see on the right side it is showing on the top. Let's add contact us also. We can also delete or hide it by simply clicking on this gear icon on the right side of navigation option. So let's hide it. From here you can upload image or logo as per your need. As this is the demo, I'm not going to change the image. So in each and every element you will find this gear icon. From here you can move up, move down, copy and delete this particular element. On left side you can change the space between the two elements by adding this spacer. From here you can add or edit the headline like creative photography. We can also change subheading, capturing creative shots you always wanted. We can change the other text also. We can also edit or delete this button. So for example, I'm going to delete it, press delete and confirm delete block. So like this you can customize each and everything about this template. The best thing, as the interface is very clean, so you can edit or create pages by your phone also, right? So there is no need to carry your lappy everywhere. So now if I need to add another buttons here above the separator, what will I do? On the top, if you press this plus blue icon, here you can see elements like headlines, subheading, YouTube and many more options are available here. So first let's add button to this page. Here is the button. Now I'm going to edit it, capture the moment. From here you can hyperlink to it. So if someone is going to press the button, it will redirect you to the page. We can also change size of the button from here as per our needs. So let's keep it medium. From here we can change color to red. Now what I want to drag this button above this separator. I will simply click and drag this element just above the separator. Now let's add another subheading to it. Again click on the plus icon and choose subheading. Edit it to Jitin Verma. Drag it to the desirable place. Change the color of the text to white so it will be more visible, and drag it again to below the heading. I can also add other elements, images, icons. We also built opt-in form or contact us by simply click on the form element. Right now I would like to add YouTube. I can simply add videos or portfolio videos in this section by simply change the URL of video. So you can create your own highly customized amazing look pages without fiddling. I think this is enough for this demo. Let's save and publish it. So like this you can make the pages for your Facebook, Insta or Snapchat ads. You can start your campaign directly from this software. It is pretty simple and it will load very fast in mobile. You can also attach mobile pages to your main websites. So if someone come to your website through mobile device, this software will open. And as it is a short version of your website, so it will load the pages very fast as compared to the original one. So let's move to the next option, settings. Here you can change your page name, let's say creative photography. You can change background wallpaper, can change fonts from here. You can also add other stuffs like page URL, custom CSS, title, descriptions, tag, tracking pixel. You can on and off reCAPTCHA. You can also redirect to any external page. For example, if you created some opt-in page and you have already designed the thank you page, so you can simply add the URL here. So this is totally up to you from where you want to redirect your customer. So let's save it. In trend, again you can monitor your pages. So in dashboard you can see the created website photography. Also there are options for QR code, setting, trends and remove. So if I'm going to click on website name, in my case photography, it will redirect me to the page where I can edit the created page again. and I can monitor it, and also I can remove it. So from the top right corner, we can also add new page in it. We just have to install and we are ready to go. Also, you can add sub users by simply clicking on the profile photo and choose team management. From here, you can add user. There is an option for Zapier integration also. It will allows you to instantly connect mobile pages with more than 2000 apps to automate work and productivity. So that's all about the product. According to me, it's pretty simple, quick and clean software which can help you to create mobile pages actually in few minutes. And amazing thing is that you can do it all entirely from your mobile device. Okay, so it will cost you around 27 to $47. The sale will start from 4 September 11 a.m. EST and prices will increase from 4 p.m. You can also check the description below for the coupon links and validity. And if you are going to buy right now from my link, you can save up to 10%. Okay, so go and grab the deal. Links are in the description below. Let's talk about its upsell and price. OTO number 1, Mobile Pages Agency Professional. It will cost you $67. In this OTO, you will get 10 optimized advertiser ready templates and 4 additional elements. OTO number 2, Mobile Pages Agency Club. It will cost you $97. In this OTO, you can share your project files and templates with others. You will get 15 brand new done for you templates and 15 brand new templates every month for a year. You will also get commercial rights to all templates, so it is one of the best OTO. They also claims that by agency license, you can provide a professional all-in-one mobile solution to businesses. So you can get paid up to $997 every mobile website you create. OTO number 3, Mobile Pages Reseller. It will cost you around $197. Here you will get reseller license, so definitely 100% commissions. You will also get full step-by-step training, sales page, swipes and videos in this OTO. OTO number 4, Link Sumo. It will cost $47. As per the title of this OTO, you will have the full control on your links. You can post affiliate links to FB safely, can customize any link, can schedule links to go live or expire when you choose. So in short, can manage your links with ease. Also, you will get full and in-depth link tracking analytics system. So that's all about the price and upsells. Also, don't forget about the custom bonuses and coupons in description below. Check out the bonus page and definitely it will help you with Mobile Pages Agency. So grab the app from my link. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoy the review. Stay safe and I will see you inside the member area.